To get the most out of the Semrush dashboard, start by understanding its layout and features. The dashboard is divided into several sections, including the toolbar, main menu, and project overview. The toolbar provides access to various tools and reports, while the main menu allows you to navigate between different sections of the platform. Begin by setting up your project, which involves adding your website and social media profiles. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview of your online presence and allow you to track your performance over time. In the project overview section, you can view key metrics such as organic search traffic, paid search traffic, and social media engagement. One of the most powerful features of the Semrush dashboard is the ability to track your competitors. You can add your competitors to the platform and view their online performance, including their search engine rankings, website traffic, and social media engagement. This will allow you to identify gaps in the market and opportunities to improve your own online presence. The Semrush dashboard also provides a range of tools and reports to help you optimize your website and improve your search engine rankings. The audit tool allows you to identify technical issues with your website, such as broken links and slow loading speeds, while the keyword research tool helps you to identify relevant keywords and phrases to target in your content. To get the most out of the Semrush dashboard, it is essential to set up and track your goals. This will allow you to measure the success of your online marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions to improve your performance. You can set up goals such as increasing organic search traffic, improving your search engine rankings, or boosting social media engagement. Best practices for using the Semrush dashboard include regularly monitoring your performance, tracking your competitors, and adjusting your online marketing strategy accordingly. It is also essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in search engine optimization and online marketing to ensure you are getting the most out of the platform. By following these tips and using the Semrush dashboard effectively, you can improve your online presence, increase your website traffic, and drive more sales and revenue for your business.